The RK Royal KLUDGE M100 is a game-changer in the world of mechanical keyboards, offering a unique blend of functionality, style, and performance. This keyboard is designed with gamers in mind, featuring a tri-mode gasket mount system that provides an unparalleled typing and gaming experience. The wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth and 4 GHz, ensure a seamless and lag-free connection, making it perfect for both PC and console gaming. One of the standout features of the M100 is its built-in screen, which displays essential information such as battery life, connectivity status, and custom macros. The dual knobs add an extra layer of control, allowing users to adjust volume, brightness, and other settings on the fly. The keyboard's compact layout is both ergonomic and space-efficient, making it ideal for gamers with limited desk space. The M100's gasket mount design provides a soft, cushioned typing experience, reducing fatigue during extended gaming sessions. The hot-swappable switches allow for easy customization, enabling users to swap out switches without soldering. This feature is a huge plus for those who want to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect match. In terms of build quality, the M100 is solid and durable, with a sturdy aluminum frame and high-quality PBT keycaps. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, with numerous lighting effects to choose from. The keyboard software is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for easy customization of macros, lighting, and other settings. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE M100 is an exceptional wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a premium gaming experience. Its unique features, such as the built-in screen and dual knobs, set it apart from other keyboards in its class. The tri-mode connectivity, gasket mount design, and hot-swappable switches make it a versatile and customizable option for gamers and enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a high-performance keyboard that combines style, functionality, and performance, the M100 is definitely worth considering. Its impressive feature set and competitive pricing make it one of the best wireless mechanical keyboards on the market today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.